Well, I am presently in my world. You could probably hear the rain on the tarp. And yeah, we got a storm coming. So let me show you what I'm doing until it just gets totally unbearable. Sitting here under the tarp. Yeah, that's closer. The storm's on its way. I'm just sitting here processing down some Fatwood chunks into some little smaller pieces that'll go in fire kits and what have you. And yeah, it's not really raining yet, but you can hear in the background it's doing its best to get here and pour out buckets, I believe. So we'll hang here just doing what we do. I hope you guys are having a great day. Oh, as you can hear, it's picked up. Hey, this is a great little combination to have, particularly on a day like this or the day after. You need to build a fire. The punkwood's just crushed down into the Altoids tin. You'll throw your spark in there, and as soon as you get an ember going, hold your tinder on top of it. And when your tinder bursts into flame, you can lay it in your fire lay, which you would have put some of these Fatwood splinters in your fire lay, or possibly even in the tinder bundle, just to make it a little easier to get it going. So there you go, quick tip. All of it's basically free if you discount the cost of enjoying Altoids.